Welcome back. In this video we are going to set up our database environment for our application. So let's get to it. First of all, we need to go into mysql.com and go into downloads. We need to download the MySQL workbench, so go into here and click MySQL workbench. Click on download right here and choose this or this. I chose this one. I've downloaded it and I'm going to install it. Press OK and yes, it's pretty automatic, but we're going to need some setup. I accept, next, and custom, next. Here I'm going to choose the 64-bit application workbench, this one, and let's see, yes, this notifier, yes, I want to check what's going on, and utilities, okay. And that's about it. Next and execute. I'm going to fast forward it for you. It should be pretty fast. And that's it. Let's see. Next, show advanced. Let's see what we have here. MySQL root password. I'm going to set it to 126 and wait a minute. Yes, and I'm going to add a user. Let's say blog. And 126 and OK, and next, let's say blog, that's okay. Next, enable protocol, we don't need that. Next, advanced options, next. Okay, and that's it, and finish. Next, and let's start it. Right here I'm going to, here we say 126 and OK, and basically this is where we are going to work with our database. And let's create a new schema, and let's say blog, and apply and finish. In this blog, let's see what we have here. Let's find out. Meditations. Let's say blog. In here, that's okay. Schemas, okay, and select all and apply, and that should be it. And right now, okay, let's refresh everything. What we have here, okay. Let's go into our application. I'm going to sit into my blog. Well, I'm going to let's start our server. php artisan serve. Let's give it a couple seconds. Let's go back here. Let's refresh, and this is where we left off. So right now, let's put it here, set it into blog, and what I want to do is to set up our database environment. So basically, when we do our migrations and start transferring data to our database, this is the steps we need to do. So we need to go into our into our .env file, and basically what we need to do is right here, our database was blog and our username was blog and the password was 126, and I'm going to save this. And also we need to go into config and database. Right here, make sure you have MySQL, and in here localhost db environment, and it's blog, username is blog, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. And right now I am going to basically make a migration, and you may ask yourself where is the users tables and what have we done. But when we made in the first video the make auth command, it automatically, if you go into database right here and migrations, you can see that it already created a users table, and it's a very handy tool. And when we basically make our migration right now, we will have user registration and maybe one or two other migrations like this one. And let's get to it. First, go in here, php artisan migrate, and right here, oh, what is going on? No connection will be made because the target machine actively refused it. So okay, I've seen my problem, I think, because when I go to the MySQL notifier, my blog was stopped. It wasn't active. So I just pressed start, and right now it should work. I hope so. Let's find out. Together we work through the problems, and it's a great exercise for our Laravel application. So basically, let's try to migrate php artisan migrate, and as you can see, it created a users table, a passwords table, and it's just with a simple stroke of the make auth command, it made a lot of things behind the scenes. So let's see. Basically, if we will go into our local host, into our server /home, it will redirect us, as you can see here. If I press register, I can register, let's say blog, and let's just say test at test.com, and the password will be 126. And right now I'm just going to register our first user, maybe our second in all my tries and before that, but let's register. As you can see, it automatically redirected us into our home directory, and look how easy it is with the make auth command to do it. In a couple of minutes we set up a registration system, and also if you forget a password or forget an email, you can easily work it out. So for this video I'm going to stop here, and in the next videos we are going to start to set up our pages and blogs and posts and all of that. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe for the other videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.